Today I show you an unboxing of the MacBook Air M5. This is the serial number, the model number A3449. The MacBook Air has a battery inside, so there's always this kind of warning there. Let's open it. MacBook Air, you have this picture of a really thin and light M5 chip, 16GB of RAM. This is the base model, 13-inch MacBook Air, and it's with the German keyboard. 10-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 13.6 the size, and the weight is 1.24 kilograms. So this is very good, very light. This is the model without the charger, and it needs a 30 to 72 watts charger, USB power delivery. It's 512GB of storage space. I think it's time to open it. And here is the MacBook Air. Oh, it still feels pretty heavy. Let's see what else is included. There is this charging cable and some kind of paperwork. Some booklet. There is a Touch ID and a trackpad. Finder dock has headphones and the MagSafe charger, MagSafe 3, and 2 Thunderbolt ports with Touch ID. That's it. Okay, so that's the information here. And I want to show you the cable. This charger is on one side the USB-C, which is pretty solid, and on the other side it's MagSafe 3, so it's a MagSafe connection. 1.5 or 2 meters like this. Nothing else in the box. And now this is the MacBook Air. It's a tiny laptop from Apple. Let's open it. That's the MacBook, and it comes out. Okay. Wow, this looks pretty nice. And this is the back of it. And this is an aluminum body. Here, this one is a headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter. And on this side, you have the MagSafe connector and the 2 Thunderbolt ports. And that's it. In the front, you have this opening. Now it's ready to be set up. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.